Hey, hey. All right. Now, up until this point, you have created a new page, made it 8.5 by 11 inches, found the template on Schoology or wherever your image is, copied it or uploaded it from your computer, pasted it and rotated it, repasted and rotated it multiple times until you have filled the entire picture plane. Now I'm going to show you how to do the final part, which is coloring each section. So you're going to go to the paint bucket, which is also the vector fill tool. So you're going to click on the paint bucket, and then you're going to click on vector fill. So click on that. You're going to change it to pixel fill. Okay. Change it to pixel fill. Okay. Taking a screenshot for you so I can post it and you can see what I'm talking about. Then, when you have it on pixel fill, you're going to, excuse me, click on the fill, click on fill, and change it to color. Oops. They change it to color. Okay. Change it to color. Taking a screenshot again. What you're going to do is click on the section that you want colored. Okay. And then I'm going to keep clicking until the entire image is colored. You can use colors more than once. So if I want this green, I want that green, I want that green. Let's say I want to choose pink. I want that. Oh. You're going to keep doing this until every section has a color in it. Try not to have two colors touching each other as the same color. Okay. To unselect, to deselect, you're going to click anywhere in the gray area so it will let you choose a different color, or else it will change the color that you already have chosen. So I'm going to do this very quickly so you can see. So you're just going to keep filling in each section like this. You're going to do the same thing if you're doing this traditionally. You'll do it the same way. Try not to have two colors touching each other. Two of the same colors touching each other. Okay. I'm going to quickly go through this so you can see what it looks like completed. All right. So as you can see, I am using one color multiple times. You may do that. You can also use the colors here inside the box. Okay. Make sure there is no negative space, which means there's no white showing. It needs to be completely colored. So color all the sections that need to be colored. Okay. I'm gonna keep going. I'm almost done. Okay. Keep almost finished with all of my sections, making sure there's no white spots anywhere. Okay, I think you all kind of get the idea, but I will keep going so you can see what it looks like when it's finished. I'm making sure all of the white spaces are filled. Okay, so it looks like I am finished. So I'm going to zoom out so you can see. Oh, I have one spot right here. That's not done yet. And I'm going to zoom in a little bit. Okay. Now, this is my completed leaf project. So you now should be up to this point. You've copied and rotated your leaf, copied and pasted and rotated your leaf until you have a leaf pile and it fills in the entire picture plane. And then you clicked on pixel fill, change it from vector fill to pixel fill, and then you'll fill it with the color. Make sure it's not on radial, make sure it's on color, solid colors only. And now you have your leaf project and you're ready to post it into the slides. I'm going to show you here. To save this, you're going to go to the export. You're going to click on download PNG. To save the transparency of your work, and it will download to your computer. All right, so that's how you do it. You click on export download.png, and that's it.